Happy holidays, everyone. I'm so excited for this video. I made this Christmas tree topper last year and I knew that I wanted to make another one just to show you guys how I did it. This would be really cool if you sold in your shop, in your booth, in your markets, wherever. I think it's such a great idea and such a unique alternative to the traditional Christmas star. Everything I think is pretty much self explanatory, but I'll pop in and out wherever I feel that I need to explain what I'm doing. And as always, everything is listed down below. Whatever questions you may have, leave it in the comments. I am so happy to answer any of it that you might have. And yeah, if you create this, oh my God, please tag me because I think this is so cool. And you could use any color that you want and make it, however you want. I will say though, before I hop off, the ornaments that you use here, I'm using glass. The ones in the original one that I made, they were very, very fragile. I don't know what kind of material they are. You're gonna see at the end, I messed up mine. Oh my God, once again. I was so sad, but I fixed it and it's an extra clip for you. Anyways, I highly suggest using glass ornaments, and the little ones from Michaels are non-shattered or shatterproof. Those are good too. The ones I used originally, I thrifted. These I actually bought at Michaels, so just keep that in mind if you're gonna recreate this look. All right, enjoy! Okay, I'm gonna do 2 coats of crinoline by DIY Paint. I have it listed down below. And I started by tapping, but really it's kind of unnecessary because DIY Paint is clay based. It's so thick that once you do like your first layer, you can go back in when you go in with your second layer and then tap it. That creates that texture. And if you want even more texture, you can mix in baking soda into the DIY paint and it makes it thicker, therefore giving you more texture. So just keep that in mind. And here's what I mean by adding texture. I'm just tapping. I didn't add baking soda or anything because it's so thick. I can do this. I just tap it onto everywhere I want, that thickness and that texture, and it's perfect. I went ahead and sealed it in matte. It's not really necessary, but I wanted to give it something extra because I was going in with the antique wax. It's just easier to wipe it off instead of completely smearing the whole thing, because DIY paint is so porous that anything sticks to it, and I wanted to be able to wipe it off. So just keep that in mind as well. These transfers are from Redesign with Prima, and I don't know if they're still available. If they are, I'm going to leave them linked down below in the description box, okay? Once your transfer is on there, I always go back in with the plastic thing that it was on, and I just like rub it in really good just to make sure that it's stuck on there. And once it's on there, it's on there. It's no big deal. Mine has still stood the whole year, and they haven't peeled off or anything, but it's very important to go in with that last step. The gold leaf is optional. Everything I'm doing is optional, really. It just gives it a very high-end look. You could also use metallic paint or anything that you might have, but I find that the gold leaf just gives it an extra elevated look. But it is messy, just keep that in mind as well. Now, I think this is the best part because now you get to do the final touches and you get to really make it look however you see it fit. And you get to play around with whatever flowers or buds or whatnot that you think are going to give it this Christmassy look. And I absolutely love this part. Here's how she turned out. I absolutely love her. She is definitely the cousin of the one I made last year. And I don't know, I just think she's so freaking cool. This is the one I made. Now, this was before my accident, so just stay tuned for the extra clip. Yeah, what do you think? Is this something that you would do for your Christmas tree, or maybe just for decoration, or something else? I don't know, I'm curious. What would you use it for? I don't know, I just freaking love it. However, I did forget to add some red to her lips, so that's an option as well, but I do think it gave it a little pop. So, oh my god, I'm so excited for this. Ugh, I absolutely love it. Okay, here's that extra clip for you. Are you ready for what happened? Oh my god. I broke it. I broke one of the big ones. I was so upset. I almost cried. I kicked everybody out of my studio, but luckily, thankfully, I have like a lot of flowers lying around. So I just broke off the pieces that wouldn't allow the flower to go in. And then I just went in with red paint once again and just gave that flower a elevated look and made it look like the ones that she already has in the front. So yeah, listen, things can go wrong, but if you have florals and if you have huge imagination, you can fix anything, okay? So worry not. Anything can be fixable when it comes to arts and crafts. And here she is, all fixed up. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below if you are going to make this. If you do, please, please, please tag me. I absolutely would love to see it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.